Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to talk about something that every artist want but many struggle to find. That is confidence. Many people think confidence come first and then good painting follow. But in my experience, it often work the other way around. Confidence grows through regular practice. It is not something we suddenly receive one day. It is something we build little by little through the work we do. When we begin learning watercolor, we often feel uncertain. We worry about making mistakes. We compare our work with other artists. We wonder if we are improving fast enough. These feelings are normal. Every artist, no matter how experienced, has faced them. The good news is that confidence does not come from being perfect. It comes from showing up and practicing regularly. Think about learning to ride bicycle. Reading about cycling is helpful, but confidence comes only after riding the bicycle again and again. Painting is very similar. The more time we spend with our brush and paint, the more comfortable we become. Regular practice teaches us lessons that no book or video can fully teach. We learn how water behaves, we learn how color makes, we learn how people react. Most important, we learn how to solve problems when things do not go as planned. Every painting becomes a teacher. Sometimes we create a painting that we are proud of. Sometimes we create one that does not work. Both experiences help us grow. Many artists lose confidence because they expect every painting to be successful. But that is not real. Even experienced artists create paintings that disappoint them. The difference is that they understand that one unsuccessful painting does not define their ability. They simplify, learn from it, and continue. Regular practice helps us develop this mindset. We stop fearing mistakes because we know another painting is waiting tomorrow. Another benefit of regular practice is that it makes difficult things feel easy. When we first try painting trees, figures, water, or mountains, they may seem challenging. But after painting them many times, we begin to understand their shapes, colors, and pattern. What once felt difficult become familiar, and familiarity creates confidence. Practice also helps us trust our own decision. At first, we may constantly ask ourselves, should I use this color? Should I make this area darker? Should I stop now or keep painting? With experience, this decision becomes easy. We begin to trust our eyes, and that trust is confidence. It is important to remember that confidence does not mean believing every painting will be perfect. Confidence means believing that you can handle whatever happened during the painting process. Even if something goes wrong, you know you can find a solution or learn from the experience. One mistake many artists make is waiting until they feel confident before they practice. But confidence is not the starting point. Practice is the starting point. Confidence is the result. A small amount of practice done regularly is often more valuable than a large amount done occasionally. Even a short sketch each day can strengthen your skill and keep your creative habit active. Progress may seem slow at a time. There may be days when you feel stuck. There may be days when your painting do not meet your expectation. But if you continue practice, improvement will come. Often we do not notice our own progress because it happened gradually. Then one day we look at an old painting and realize how much we have grown. Nature teaches the lesson as well. A tree does not become strong overnight. It grows slowly, season after season. Confidence grows in the same way, not through one great painting, but through many hours of patience and practice. As watercolor artists, we should focus less on perfection and more on consistency. Every brushstroke teaches something. Every sketch adds experience. Every painting helps build confidence. So, whenever you feel discouraged, remember this. You do not need to paint perfect. You only need to keep painting. The confidence you are looking for is already being built with every practice session. In conclusion, confidence is not a gift that only a few artists possess. It is something that anyone can develop through regular practice, patience, and persistence. The more we practice, the more we learn. The more we learn, the more we trust ourselves. And the more we trust ourselves, the more confident we become. Thank you so much and happy painting.